We have an absolutely massive and highly urgent weather alert for you right now, as the entire state of California is currently being violently battered by an incredibly powerful and highly dangerous multiple storm system today. The highly terrifying live footage currently coming out of Central California, specifically in the heavily populated city of Stockton, shows absolutely catastrophic urban conditions where local residential streets have been violently transformed into deeply flooded, rushing rivers. This is not just a standard spring rain shower, but rather a highly aggressive atmospheric beast that is actively dumping incredibly massive amounts of heavy precipitation directly onto highly vulnerable coastal communities and aggressively threatening major urban centers with severe, sudden flash flooding. To truly comprehend the absolute massive scale of this terrifying weather event, you must look directly at the highly active atmospheric dynamics currently churning violently right off the Pacific Ocean. Meteorologists are closely tracking a massive swirling area of intense low pressure that is continuously acting like a giant water pump, forcefully driving completely relentless bands of heavy oceanic moisture directly into the California coastline. This massive rotating storm engine is highly expected to continuously hammer the incredibly busy Interstate 5 corridor and the heavily populated Bay Area with completely blinding torrential rain straight through the entire afternoon and well into the highly dangerous overnight hours tonight. But the absolute most shocking and completely bizarre element of this massive severe weather outbreak is happening high up in the mountains, where an incredibly rare and highly aggressive late-season blizzard is violently freezing the high elevations. Even though we are deeply into the warm spring month of April, completely massive winter storm warnings have been officially activated across a huge swath of the Sierra Nevada mountain range, including legendary locations like Yosemite National Park and South Lake Tahoe. Deeply stunned residents and local tourists are currently waking up to absolutely freezing temperatures and completely blinding whiteout conditions, as this highly aggressive storm is officially predicted to dump a completely staggering 2 to 3 feet of heavy crushing snow directly onto the higher mountain passes. Local highway patrol officers and state transportation officials are actively issuing highly desperate public safety warnings, actively begging all drivers to completely avoid traveling through these incredibly dangerous and deeply frozen mountain passes today. Attempting to navigate these highly treacherous, high-elevation roadways right now is an absolute recipe for complete disaster, as the violently blowing snow and incredibly slick black ice are already causing massive, highly dangerous traffic pileups and severely trapping deeply unprepared motorists. Emergency rescue crews are already stretched to their absolute physical limits, dealing with both the highly dangerous deep water rescues in the flooded lower coastal valleys and the completely terrifying freezing blizzard conditions actively paralyzing the upper mountain communities. While agricultural experts and local water management officials are actually quietly celebrating this highly unusual late spring storm because the vital California mountain snowpack was sitting at a completely dangerously low 14% of its normal average. The immediate physical danger to the public remains absolutely critically high. This incredibly massive influx of heavy freezing snow will eventually provide a deeply desperate and highly necessary boost to the severely depleted local water reservoirs, but right now the completely violent nature of this storm is actively causing absolute massive chaos across the entire state. You absolutely must stay highly vigilant and completely informed as this monumental extreme weather crisis continues to develop minute by minute. Hit that subscribe button right now, smash the notification bell, and stay tightly locked to our channel as we continuously bring you the absolute latest critical emergency updates and raw, unedited footage directly from the flooded coastlines and frozen mountains of California.